Introducing eAgent X2, Advanced Authentication for the way you work. If you interact with criminal justice information, then you already know you're required to be compliant with the FBI CJIS security policy. But did you know that the policy now mandates two-factor authentication? Two-factor is a two-step sign-on process. This type of authentication, sometimes also called advanced or strong, helps ensure the security of highly sensitive victim and criminal information. Some two-factor software solutions can be unreliable, expensive, or even difficult to install. But eAgent X2 is different. It's extremely cost-effective. You won't have to waste time and resources servicing unreliable retrieval methods or replacing broken ones. It's so user-friendly that it provides the fastest yet most secure login experience available. It's constantly kept up to date to be compliant with the latest CJIS security policies. It integrates with your existing VPN to provide easy login at the VPN level. It's backed by live support agents 24/7, 365. It comes with a variety of user-friendly options. And it's practically maintenance-free. You even get to choose how to retrieve your second factor. From a text message, mobile app, hard token PIN generator, or the easy-to-use grid card, the user is always in control. eAgent X2 is also amazingly easy to install. It's implemented as a Linux-based virtual machine, provided and set up by our very own diverse computing technicians. We then give you the pre-configured VM through a simple download link. It's as easy as that. If you work in criminal justice or law enforcement, you need a two-factor authentication solution that works the way you do. Call or email us today for a free quote to get started on your way to higher security and lower stress.